Welcome to the next lesson. This lesson, we will be talking about why projects are initiated, why projects are executed, how to assess the value from customers' perspective, how to prioritize value. We will be talking about various prioritization techniques, how to deliver value incrementally, what is agile contracting, what are various types of contracts, and how to verify and validate value. We will also be covering various subtopics such as customer valued prioritization, earned value management for agile projects, frequent verification and validation, minimum viable product, minimum business increment, various prioritization schemes such as Kano analysis, Moscow, monopoly money, relative prioritization, paired programming, paired analysis, paired comparison, and we will also be covering return on investment, net present value, internal rate of return, and other financial indicators. In the end, we will be covering that what is value-driven delivery and how work in progress limits helps in delivering value to the customer. First of all, we need to understand why this topic is important. One of the core components and overarching principles of agile methods is to deliver value, specifically in business terms. The reason projects are undertaken is to generate business value, be it to produce a benefit or improve a service. Even safety and regulatory compliance projects can be expressed in terms of business value by considering the business risk and the impact of not undertaking them. So if delivering value is the reason for doing projects, then value-driven delivery must be the core focus throughout the project. Maximizing value is an overarching theme. When faced with a decision, they ask which choice will add the most value for the customer. The focus on delivering value drives many of the activities and decisions on an agile project and is the ultimate goal of many of the practices in the agile toolkit. This is such an essential component of agile methods that out of all domains, PMI has given the value-driven delivery domain the most weight for the exam. So this is one of the most important agile themes, trying to gather many fundamental agile concepts such as prioritization, incremental delivery, and test-driven development. One of the key ways agile teams try to maximize value is by delivering value early. This means they aim to deliver the highest value first of the projects as soon as possible. There are some important reasons for this approach. To maximize success, we have to try to deliver as many high-value components as soon as we can before things change or go sideways. Another reason for focusing on early delivery of value is that stakeholder satisfaction plays a huge role in project success. Engaged, committed sponsors and product owners are vital for removing project obstacles and declaring success. Every team is on a trial period when a project starts. So what happens here, 3 things are very important when we talk about value-driven delivery. First, we should deliver value to the customer because projects are being conducted or executed to deliver value. And second, we should focus on early value delivery. And this concept, we discussed this concept in Agile Manifesto, where we talked about 4 values and principles that early and continuous and frequent delivery is a key for customer satisfaction. When as a product owner or as a product development team, you deliver something early to the product stakeholders, then they are satisfied that something is being delivered and progress is being made. So projects are undertaken with the prime purpose of creating value. Value could be perceived in terms of economic benefits, improvements of enhancement in existing processes, advantages, risk mitigation, regulatory compliance. Options presenting the favorable higher value in monetary terms is usually given preference along with considering the risk and technical dependencies involved. So projects are undertaken to deliver value, and value could be tangible, value could be intangible. Return on investment, net present value, gain of assets, all these are tangible benefits or tangible value. On the other hand, goodwill, brand recognition, reputation, networking are intangible benefits. Projects are executed to gain this value. So there are various reasons to prioritize various components that deliver value. There are different approaches to prioritize value which is being delivered by various components of the project. One of the distinguishing features in Agile project management is that in traditional, what happens, we deliver all or nothing. Either we are delivering everything at the end of the project or we do not deliver in case project does not complete. For example, if a project starts here and it ends here, during the project duration, we do not deliver anything. However, what happens in Agile, we deliver incrementally. For example, some value would be delivered here, some of the value would be delivered here, some of the value would be delivered here. So we move in chunks and sprints. So in order to deliver value incrementally, we have to prioritize various value delivery components. And let's suppose, for the sake of understanding, in a product we have, let's suppose in a product we have various features to deliver. Let's suppose these boxes represent features. So these are different features that as a product development team, one has to deliver. So before starting the delivery or development of these features, first we need to prioritize these features because we will have to deliver them incrementally. So in the first release or iteration, maybe we are delivering 2 features and then 2 features again, and then 2 features again. So what we need to do, we need to prioritize. And let's suppose the priority level is this, that this is the first priority, this is second priority, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. So let's suppose these are different priority levels. And now we will divide this into sprints or releases. It means that in the first time boxed duration, we will be targeting these 2 features. So in the first iteration or first sprint, we will be delivering these 2 features to the customer, which is called first release. Once we are done with the first release, then we'll move to the second release, and then third release, then fourth release, and then fifth, until there is no feature left in the backlog. To perform all these tasks, we need to prioritize these features. And prioritization is based on the value which is being delivered by each feature and component. And in most cases, that value is from customer's perspective, and we see that in monetary terms. So what we need to understand, how value is being delivered by various features. So for that, we need to perform financial assessment of various features and various components.